Well then, I guess I don't have my notebook. I don't have my handy-dandy notebook! Which means I don't have the address, so I don't know where my audition is! Oh, okay.
Hey. When I met her with a backpack, so tan, and I'm never gonna get that. Oh man, and I'm never gonna call you like them. Why the fuck was I on you? Goddamn, what I wanna talk about it. Please just give me the options. I wanna forget you, I wanted to leave you to sell my shit at the auction. But you want me to up and leave? Hey, you want me to leave my scene? Hey, man, I'll never do that. Staying true to myself, damn, the gentleman's bad, but nothing is realer to me. At the jam all the time, but your figure is weak. But I don't really give a fuck about you. I only really care what that mouth do. But I wanna be that guy for you. I wanna be that guy for me. I wanna be the top of this shit, the Mount Olympus, the savage district. But I don't really care, I don't really care. I'm just trying to be better. Ride together, right or wrong, ride in town, dance right into this song. But this is crazy, I'm rocking up, and everybody get me popping it up. Giving raps, motherfuckers really running the bar, but I'm a loose cannon when I spark pays, and I come back. Everybody call the time is bro. I'm the motherfucking man who said I don't really give a fuck, but you lead the weapon. Let's go. We always try and talk, but we never pursue it. Cause we just so emotional. You try to be yourself at the honor roll, but making the great tunes, making the great music, making all the shit together. Never no more, I don't care, no. I couldn't give a fuck about your hair toe. But you kinda weird, you kinda sexy, girl, you kinda weird. But still want you in my bed right now. Still really want you to come around right now. But I'm on the song for life. You were crazy with the poltergeist. You were a little crazy, the hope is nice, the older type. And I don't really get you right, but really gon' get you, really gon' feel that. I don't really care when I met you. We on the